When it comes to building or renovating a home, exterior cladding often takes center stage. It's not just a superficial layer, it's a critical component that defines the character and functionality of your home. It's the first thing people notice, creating a crucial first impression. The right cladding can make your home stand out in the neighborhood, adding a touch of elegance or modernity. More than just aesthetics, your choice of cladding significantly impacts your home's energy efficiency, maintenance needs, and overall value. A well-chosen cladding material can enhance the thermal performance of your home, reducing energy bills and making your living space more comfortable. Selecting the right cladding is a balancing act. You'll want something visually appealing that complements your home's architectural style. Whether you prefer a traditional look or a contemporary design, there's a cladding option that can meet your needs. Durability is key, as cladding acts as a protective shell against the elements. It shields your home from rain, wind, and sun, ensuring that the structure remains intact and secure. Consider your local climate. A material that thrives in dry climates might deteriorate quickly in humid environments. For instance, wood cladding may be ideal for dry areas but could suffer in regions with high humidity. Energy efficiency is another crucial factor. A well-insulated cladding can significantly reduce heating and cooling costs. Insulated cladding materials help maintain a stable indoor temperature, making your home more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. Ultimately, the best cladding for your home depends on your individual needs, preferences, and budget. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons of each material, considering factors like cost, maintenance, and longevity. This essay explores popular cladding options, weighing their pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. From vinyl and wood to metal and fiber cement, each material offers unique benefits and challenges. By understanding these options, you can choose the cladding that best suits your home's style and your personal requirements. Brick has graced homes for centuries, and for good reason. Its timeless beauty and enduring strength have made it a favorite choice for builders and homeowners alike. Its classic appeal, durability, and energy efficiency make it a top contender for exterior cladding. Brick not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of a home but also offers practical benefits that stand the test of time. Brick homes exude a sense of permanence and character. Each brick tells a story, adding to the unique charm and personality of the house. The solid construction of brick homes gives them a robust and sturdy feel, making them a symbol of reliability. The range of colors and textures available allows for diverse architectural styles. Whether you prefer a rustic look or a sleek modern design, brick can be tailored to meet your vision. The versatility of brick makes it suitable for any architectural style, from colonial to contemporary. From traditional reds and browns to contemporary grays and whites, brick can be adapted to various aesthetics. This adaptability ensures that brick remains a popular choice, regardless of changing design trends. Beyond its beauty, brick is incredibly durable. It can withstand harsh weather conditions, from scorching heat to freezing cold, without losing its integrity. This durability means that brick homes often last for generations, making them a wise investment. It resists fire, pests, and rot, requiring minimal maintenance over its lifetime. The natural properties of brick make it an excellent barrier against external threats, ensuring the safety and longevity of the home. Brick walls provide excellent insulation, keeping homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. This natural insulation helps maintain a comfortable indoor environment throughout the year, reducing the need for artificial heating and cooling. This natural insulation translates into lower energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. By choosing brick, homeowners can enjoy significant energy savings while also contributing to environmental sustainability. However, brick comes with a higher upfront cost compared to other cladding options. The initial investment may be higher, but the long-term benefits often outweigh the costs. Installation also requires skilled labor, adding to the overall expense. The craftsmanship involved in bricklaying ensures a high-quality finish, but it also means that hiring experienced masons is essential. Despite these costs, the enduring appeal and benefits of brick make it a worthwhile choice for many homeowners. Stucco has experienced a surge in popularity, particularly in contemporary and Mediterranean-style homes. This timeless material, with its roots in ancient construction, has been reimagined for modern architecture, blending tradition with innovation. This versatile cladding offers a sleek, modern aesthetic with its smooth, seamless finish. The clean lines and uniform texture of stucco create a sophisticated look that complements a variety of architectural styles, from minimalist to ornate. Stucco can be pigmented in a wide array of colors, providing ample design flexibility. Whether you prefer earthy tones that blend with the natural landscape, or bold hues that make a statement, stucco can be customized to suit your vision. Beyond its visual appeal, stucco is known for its weather resistance. It forms a durable barrier against the elements, protecting homes from rain, wind, and even harsh sunlight. It stands up well to rain, wind, and sun, making it suitable for various climates. From the dry heat of the desert to the humid conditions of coastal areas, stucco remains resilient and reliable. Stucco's insulation properties contribute to energy efficiency, keeping homes comfortable year-round. Its ability to regulate temperature helps reduce heating and cooling costs, making it an eco-friendly choice for homeowners. However, stucco can be prone to cracking, especially in areas with seismic activity or soil movement. These cracks can compromise the integrity of the structure if not addressed promptly. Regular inspections and prompt repairs are essential to maintain its integrity. By addressing minor issues early, homeowners can prevent more significant problems and extend the lifespan of their stucco exteriors. Fiber cement siding has emerged as a popular alternative to traditional cladding materials. Made from a mixture of cement, sand, and cellulose fibers, it offers the look of wood, brick, or stucco without their drawbacks. Fiber cement is incredibly durable, resisting rot, pests, and fire. It's also low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning. Its resistance to moisture makes it suitable for various climates. Fiber cement can be painted in any color, providing endless design possibilities. While fiber cement offers many advantages, it's important to note that installation can be labor-intensive. It also requires more maintenance than some other options, such as vinyl. Section 5. The natural warmth of wood. Wood cladding evokes a sense of warmth, tradition, and connection to nature. Its natural beauty and versatility have made it a popular choice for centuries. Wood can be stained or painted to achieve various looks, from rustic cabins to modern farmhouses. It provides excellent insulation, keeping homes comfortable in both cold and warm climates. Wood is a renewable resource, making it an environmentally friendly option when sourced sustainably. However, wood requires regular maintenance to preserve its beauty and integrity. It needs to be treated for pests, rot, and weathering. Wood is also susceptible to fire damage. Section 6. Vinyl practicality meets affordability. Vinyl siding stands out as a cost-effective and low-maintenance cladding option. It's available in a wide array of colors and styles, mimicking the look of more expensive materials like wood. Vinyl is resistant to moisture, rot, and pests, making it a durable choice. It requires minimal upkeep, usually just an occasional wash with soap and water. Vinyl siding can improve a home's energy efficiency by providing an extra layer of insulation. However, vinyl is not as environmentally friendly as other options. It's not biodegradable and can release harmful chemicals during manufacturing. Section 7. Stone veneer. A touch of luxury. Stone veneer adds a touch of elegance and sophistication to any home. It replicates the look of natural stone at a fraction of the cost. Stone veneer comes in various styles, colors, and textures, from rustic fieldstone to sleek modern slate. It's incredibly durable, resisting fire, pests, and weathering. Stone veneer requires minimal maintenance, usually just an occasional rinse with a garden hose. Its thermal mass properties can help regulate indoor temperature, reducing energy consumption. However, stone veneer can be a more expensive cladding option. Installation can be labor-intensive, adding to the overall cost. Section 8. Energy efficiency, keeping your home comfortable and green. Energy efficiency is a top priority for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental impact and save on utility bills. Exterior cladding plays a crucial role in a home's energy performance. Materials like brick, stucco, and wood offer excellent insulation, keeping homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Proper installation and air sealing are essential to maximize the energy efficiency of any cladding material. Consider adding insulation to your home's exterior walls during construction or renovation. This will significantly improve energy efficiency, regardless of the cladding material chosen. Section 9. Balancing style, budget, and maintenance. Choosing the right exterior cladding involves balancing your aesthetic preferences, budget, and desired level of maintenance. If you're drawn to a timeless look and low maintenance, brick or fiber cement might be suitable. For a modern aesthetic, stucco or wood could be excellent options. Vinyl offers affordability and ease of maintenance, while stone veneer provides a luxurious touch. Consider the architectural style of your home and your neighborhood's aesthetic. Choosing a cladding that complements its surroundings will enhance your home's curb appeal. Section 10. Making the right choice for your dream home. Selecting the right exterior cladding is a significant decision that will impact your home's aesthetics, energy efficiency, and overall value for years to come. Take your time to research different options, weighing the pros and cons of each material. Consult with architects, builders, and cladding specialists to get expert advice tailored to your specific needs and budget. Remember, your home should be a reflection of your personal style and values. Choosing cladding that resonates with you will create a space where you feel comfortable and proud. Section 11. Conclusion. Building a home that reflects you. Building or renovating a home is an exciting journey filled with countless decisions. Choosing the right exterior cladding is a significant step towards creating a space that is both aesthetically pleasing and functional. By carefully considering the factors discussed in this essay, you can confidently select a cladding material that meets your needs, enhances your home's curb appeal, and stands the test of time.